Hi everyone, welcome in my family space.
Week 78.
Yeah, so we are now in timeout of the road. So we are to my sister home, but this week we have super activities. We have
Friend of us
yeah.
by Dairy Queen, and she allowed us to go backstage.
Yeah. So this is this homeschooling, but at Dairy Queen. So it's super cool for
With
the
ice
kids.
cream.
Yeah. So it's super cool for the kids and for us to just understand and learn what is to have a Dairy Queen and not just to take a ice cream.
Yeah, but we see a Dairy Queen, but it could be the same thing for every businessman or woman in this world. It's all the same thing at different size.
Yeah. So with the kids, we go at the Dairy Queen. They don't know, so it's a surprise when we arrive, and we go in the backstage. So it's possible for us to see the fridge, to see the how to do it, the cake for the birthday too.
Yeah, because you can call and
you can make the order for your birthday cake or every event they have in the years. It's possible to have cake. So at Christmas time or at birthday or mom birthday or Father's Day too. So it's super cool.
You just have to call too and make your order.
Yeah, so we learn they do it on place. So it's not Dairy Queen, they ship the cake, they do it on the place. So it's her friend, she do it that, so we are so impressed about that. And the kids love to learn how we do the draw on the cake. So
she show us.
Yeah, she show us for the kids, and it's so fascinating. We're just ordering the cake, but we don't know how it's made, and we just thank you, and we pay. But now the kids, they know how to have beautiful cake and how you can do it that to by themselves. So by themselves, whatever. So
they also do their own ice cream.
Oh yeah.
So
and it's super funny. I do it myself and yours.
Yeah.
And it's hard. We don't realize it's hard to learn the movement to do a beautiful ice cream, and the kids are so impressed to do it by themselves that they do it. So
but they choose what they want and they make it. So it's like a bar open for kids.
And the kids ask many questions to the team. So they don't just learn which candy they have. They learn the price. They want to know what is the how do you say that? Les étapes,
the step, the recipe, the ingredient,
and they have many questions to the team. So we are so happy to this moment. This is the best moment of the week. So
if you pass by Rigaud, just stop by and see hi to Carol teams, and
they are so happy, smiley, funny. So stop at the Dairy Queen at Rigaud. They are just so perfect. Thank you for the experience. So we are so happy to go there this week. Thank you for your listening, and subscribe, like, and share the video. Bye. Have a nice week.
Ciao.